Good day. This is Dr. Manu Arun, pediatrician and developmental consultant from Chennai. I have already put up a video on the 8 stages of socio-emotional development of a human by Dr. Erik Erikson. Now, I've picked up the first year and I will talk to you about how you can help with the mental development of your child in year 1. For new parents, we have given plenty of advice about how to physically care for a newborn, how to swaddle, how to change a diaper, how to care for the skin. But psychological help? Here it is. Let us begin. Dr. Erik Erikson's first recommendation for best infant mental health is making good eye contact. So make plenty of it. Look at your newborn and make them feel that you really love to look at them. Look at them, beautiful tiny eyes, and tell them that you enjoy looking at them. Next, breastfeeding. I would say this is also the first recommendation. Breastfeeding comes with 100 challenges. To just limit myself, there is a lot of information and there are a lot of options available to you, and it is very confusing. But remember, when the child is feeding from you, they connect with you by hearing their sounds of your body, your heart, and smelling you. So don't give up. Very similar to breastfeeding is kangaroo mother care, which other members of the family can also do by giving skin to skin contact. I would say that you can never spoil an infant. So remember, if any of them tell you that don't pick up the baby as soon as they cry, they will get spoiled, that's not true. They are crying because they are helpless. So don't let them feel that way. Pick them up and heed to their needs. Learning the baby's cues and responding to them, that is a very big challenge. So I have listed a few cues that are commonly listed. Yet, if your baby is puzzling, don't worry, yours is not the first one. So do your best and make your own list. But if you don't get there, it's okay, you're not alone. You should just try out all the things. Is the baby hungry? Is the baby tired? Does the baby want to play? Or is just bored? You can find out your own list. Talk to your baby. Will your baby understand? Yes, they will. They will understand your voice, your changes in your voice, the gestures that you make with your body, and here you're making your child become a speaker too. And remember that the child is listening to you from when the baby is in the womb. Spend time cuddling and holding your baby. And don't restrict this to just yourself. Let everyone pick up the baby and make the baby feel cared for and secure. Is there a particular way to hold the baby? No, just go with your instincts. You would have heard a lot about massage helping the baby's neurological system develop. Yes, it is true. By massaging a baby, you're stimulating the baby's central nervous system and therefore setting off a chain of reactions that produces a feel good hormone called serotonin. Is there a particular way to do it? I just thought I'll put down a very small little 4 step slide for you. Milking the limbs, rolling the limbs, and then a nice back stroke and a full clean sweep of the body. Can a baby be shown a mirror? No, it is superstitiously not allowed. But just ward off the superstitions. A baby loves to look at the mirror and at human faces. It is very important the baby connects with human faces because you'd have heard a lot about autism. Next, the baby can understand more than you think. So, make sure the baby can see love around the baby. Bonding of parents is very important and you should display that right in front of the baby. Don't feel shy. You should become a superstar at swaddling. This is a little clip for you. You can follow these steps. The baby feels as if the baby is inside the womb if you tighten it up and put it all in. There is something called the Moro reflex, which the baby jerks immediately when there is any stimulation around it. To avoid these jerks, swaddling really helps. Setting a schedule for a baby, that's going to be difficult. But you can try with setting a schedule for bath, setting a schedule for reading to the baby, setting a schedule for the different music you will be playing, setting a schedule, trying to set a schedule for sleep. Can you sing? Yes, every one of us can sing. Don't worry, you're not going to get feedback from the baby. But remember, the baby can really connect well with rhythm. So put out your voice and try out all your dreams and sing to the baby. Get your silly on. Making silly faces and silly voices, it's a very important part of being a parent. You can try to learn some from other kids, but I'm sure your instincts will kick right in. Moving, dancing, rocking, yes, they love it all because they've just spent 9 months swishing around in the womb. There is no particular way to dance. Just keep it going. Maybe, but you can look at some websites and learn some little infant dancing too. Kisses and more kisses. It is very sad that these days we are so scared of all these pathogens, bacteria, viruses. We don't allow people to kiss our babies. Will the baby get a rash on the cheek? No, don't bother. We can take care of it. But remember, the kissing really helps. And as I told you earlier, keep the baby seeing your good mood and show positive emotions. There is a theory that a mother swallows up the pathogens on a baby's cheek and forms antibodies for it in her breastfeed. Let the whole family cuddle, kiss. The idea that relationships matter deeply is a basic concept that you are developing in your baby. And the baby will also be a part of a social community, a part of a family, and a part of this world. You don't build a house without a foundation. You cannot build a human without his first year. So hold out your hand and hold those tiny legs and cuddle them and kiss them and give them the right kickstart.